The 2014 Pathfinder. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, six-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power mirrors, four-wheel independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, anti-roll bars, body color bumpers, speed control, outside temperature gauge. Inside you'll find steering wheel audio controls, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, panic alarm, passenger vanity mirror, cloth seat trim, driver vanity mirror. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.